I have in my hand the USB 2.0 VGA KVM switch with 4 cables. Okay, this is a 4-way switch. It's available with low-cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie. So with it, you're going to get the unit here, the switcher, and you get the 4 cables you need. So just to say at the very start, why are you looking at this video? What would you use it for? This is so that you can share a mouse, a keyboard, a monitor, and potentially even a printer via this switch from 4 different computers. Okay, so just take a scenario where you're in some type of a racked environment. You have 4 computers there, and you don't have a monitor and accessories for each one. You're just going to use this to connect them to the single printer and the other things I've mentioned there, the other peripherals. So what are you getting? You're getting this. You're getting 4 cables. They're all pre-packed. I've only opened one of them here. So what you have is a 15-pin VGA in each. That's obviously to run the monitor picture. And then what we have on the other end is we have a USB A and B type here. Okay. So what we're going to do is, imagine we have 4 PCs stacked up here. We're going to grab each one in turn. We come along, we put in our VGA here, we push it in, we screw it in, and now we're going to grab, whoops, I have this backwards. We are going to push this directly in here. VGA has been connected, and now I'm going to grab my USB here, so it's a printer type one, and we run it directly over. And on the back of the PC, monitor, so the output, the monitor output from the PC comes in here to be displayed at a later point, possibly on the monitor, and this is the USB here, which is going to give us access from our keyboard or our mouse directly into the PC itself. Okay, so remember, all of those peripherals are being controlled by a single USB port on it, and we repeat the process up to 4 times here, so they're all stacked through. So we're going to be using the ports on this side here as well. Now, where do we add in the peripherals? Well, the peripherals we're going to add in here in terms of, let's say, our mouse, our keyboard, and our printer. The 4 of them are just connected there. And on the far end here, we have a VGA connection here. So we'd run the VGA here from here directly over to the monitor itself. And then finally, which of the computers do we want to output to the monitor and the peripherals? You just click here, there's a switch that goes directly through it. Okay, so it's a very, very clever idea. It's just saving a lot of hassle. You could, of course, just connect it directly or duplicate all the rest of it, but this is the neatest, fastest, most efficient way of connecting all these peripherals together. We have another version of this KVM that works with HDMI, but this particular one here, quite popular, good idea, and inexpensive to buy.